Benefits of sprouts. Welcome to this video dedicated to sprouts, a food that is small in size but immense in benefits. Today we will explore how these tiny plants can have a big impact on your health, providing essential nutrients, improving your digestion, and helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you are a health lover and are looking for natural and affordable alternatives to nourish yourself better, this video is for you. What are sprouts? Sprouts are the young shoots that result from the germination process of seeds, grains, or legumes. Basically, they are the first stages of plant growth. Common sprouts include alfalfa, mung beans, broccoli, lentils, radishes, and chia. Although they are small, sprouts contain a large amount of nutrients and benefits. They are a living food, loaded with enzymes and pure energy, making them a wonderful option for those looking to lead a more conscious and healthy life. Nutritional benefits of sprouts. Sprouts are true nutritional treasures. When sprouted, the seeds release a huge amount of essential vitamins and minerals. For example, they contain high levels of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and fights free radicals, vitamin K, important for bone health and blood clotting, iron, which promotes good circulation, and folic acid, essential for cell regeneration. What's even more surprising is that these nutrients are often found in higher concentrations in sprouts than in the mature plants from which they come. For this reason, sprouts are considered a natural superfood. On the other hand, sprouts are rich in antioxidants, which help combat cellular aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They help improve digestion. One of the most notable benefits of sprouts is their ability to improve digestion. Thanks to their high content of natural enzymes, they facilitate the breakdown of food and help the body absorb nutrients better. In addition, sprouts contain fiber, which is key to maintaining healthy digestion and preventing problems related to constipation or inflammation of the digestive system. If you have trouble digesting heavier foods like beans or whole grains, you'll find that consuming them in sprouted form significantly improves your tolerance. Physical health benefits. Including sprouts in your diet can have a positive impact on your physical well-being. Here we highlight some of its most important benefits. They strengthen the immune system. Thanks to their vitamin C and antioxidant content, sprouts protect the body against diseases and strengthen our defenses. They increase energy. Being a rich source of nutrients, they will help you feel more vital during the day. They improve muscle repair. Sprouts are an excellent source of vegetable protein, ideal for those looking for a food that contributes to muscle regeneration after exercise. They help with weight control. Thanks to their high fiber content and low calorie intake, sprouts help maintain satiety and control portions. They promote cardiovascular health. Their low fat content and richness in antioxidants contribute to a healthy heart. Benefits for mental and long-term well-being. In addition to improving physical health, sprouts also have benefits for your mental health and long-term well-being. For example, they help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be especially helpful in preventing sudden spikes and drops in energy, which affect your mood. On the other hand, sprouts have anti-inflammatory properties that not only benefit your internal organs, but also your brain. Maintaining a diet rich in foods that fight inflammation can help you reduce your risk of developing disorders such as depression or cognitive decline. Finally, by including sprouts in your diet, you reduce the risk of cardiovascular and chronic diseases, thus promoting a healthier and fuller life in the long term. Sprouts, an accessible and sustainable option. Sprouts are not only healthy, but also very affordable. They are inexpensive and easy to find in stores, but the best thing is that you can grow them yourself at home. By growing them yourself, you ensure their freshness and quality, as well as contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly diet. The environmental impact of sprouts is minimal compared to other types of food. They require little water and do not require large tracts of land for their production, making them an ideal option to reduce your ecological footprint. How to incorporate sprouts into your daily diet. One of the best things about sprouts is that they are so versatile. Here are some suggestions for adding them to your everyday meals. Salads, add alfalfa sprouts or mung beans for a fresh, crunchy touch. Smoothies, blend broccoli or lentil sprouts into your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost without altering the flavor. Snacks, use them as a healthy substitute to decorate toast, hummus, or even as a filling for wraps. Soups and garnishes, you can add sprouts as a final garnish for soups or baked dishes, giving a very pleasant texture contrast. Remember that sprouts are best consumed fresh to take full advantage of their nutritional benefits. How to germinate at home. If you want to start growing your own sprouts, don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here are the basic steps to safely germinate seeds. Choose your seeds, opt for seeds specially labeled for sprouting, such as alfalfa, lentils, or broccoli. Initial soaking, place the seeds in a container with clean water and let them soak for 6 to 12 hours, depending on the type of seed. Rinsing and draining, after soaking, rinse the seeds well and drain them properly to prevent water buildup. Germination, place the seeds in a clean jar or germinator, making sure to rinse and drain them twice a day. Leave them in a warm place, but out of direct sunlight. Harvest. In just a few days, your sprouts will be ready to harvest. They are usually at their best when they are between 1 and 3 centimeters long. For a safe process, make sure to keep everything clean and use filtered water. This will minimize any risk of bacterial contamination. Precautions when consuming sprouts. Although sprouts are incredibly healthy, it is important to take certain precautions. Hygiene and freshness. Always consume fresh sprouts and check that they do not have unpleasant odors or signs of mold. Allergies. Some people may be sensitive to certain types of sprouts, so introduce them gradually if it's your first time. Moderation. Although they are very healthy, sprouts should be consumed as part of a balanced diet, not in excess. Conclusion. Sprouts are a wonder of nature, small, mighty, and packed with essential nutrients that can improve your physical, mental, and digestive health. Their ease of incorporation into recipes, low cost, and high nutritional value make them a must-have food for anyone interested in health. We invite you to try sprouts and experience the benefits for yourself. Why not start sprouting your own seeds at home and add these miniature superfoods to your favorite dishes? Small changes can make big changes in your life. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you next time.